to pride and joy.
Yeah.
You're not camera shy, sir.
You'll probably want to know what it is. If he asks you what it is, it's...
Could you explain to us what it is?
Okay, it's made by a company called Krill.
Krill.
The Czech Republic.
Yeah.
And it's 2.6 litre extra 330 SC.
And you haven't crashed it yet?
Oh, absolutely not, no.
That's just one of your many other hobbies. You've got a glider there.
Gliders, yeah, and a petrol engine planes. Yeah.
I'm just getting a picture of that. I've got my YouTube channel. And all this is here. This is all the battery charger.
Battery charging system, yeah.
Looks quite complicated. My hand's a bit shaky today for some reason. And there's the front of it with the carbon fibre.
Quite good with the old wing covers on.